Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know, you're the part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It is free 99. It costs you nothing. So today, because my last video or one of the videos coming up, honey, was like 30 something minutes, I'm gonna try to just get right into it. We will be unstuffing our cash envelopes today. So let's get started. These are the ones I leave in the safe, and these are the ones I take with me. So let's get going. Y'all know, if you saw or if you haven't seen yet, you will see that I went over on a couple categories. Switching to the credit card, I do think it is going to be a adjustment period. I didn't think I did horrible because there's still some cash in some of these envelopes. However, I could do better. So let's keep moving. Gas has money left. Per usual, we love some gas to be saving our butt sometimes. We should have $40 left in gas. And so we have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. And I purposely requested all of those singles because I am so excited to be doing some scratch offs here soon when we do our savings challenges, and so I wanted to make sure I had like some singles available. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make this next section for May in this blue. This will be the start off for when we stuff our 5-1 money. Okay, let's see if I can remember to do that for the ones that have trackers. Giving has nothing. We spent giving really early, and I already have an idea of what I want to do with some of my giving money for this month. I'm thinking my boss has been going through a lot with her family and just the pressures at work and in general. I think I would love to buy her some flowers and maybe get like a Dollar Tree vase to put them in. It's a Dollar Tree sell vases. I feel like they do. And miscellaneous has the same $5 it had last time. Actually, I'm gonna take it out, and because that's household, and I'm just gonna leave it there. The $5, so that's nothing left. And then we have date night, which I hope to stuff something in here because it is a cute little challenge I created, but I haven't really stuffed anything recently. So we still just have the $20 that should be in there, which is for me to take myself on a date night. I wonder if I was in a partnership, if I would save more fervently for this, knowing that I had someone else to take on dates, but that's not good, Tara. You need to do for yourself as well. And this is just the money from when I reconciled. We have 150, 60, 70, 80, $180 that needs to go back to the credit card for all the charges we used in the last, from like the 19th to the end of the month. All right, and that is the end of this wallet. And so for the ones that stay at home in the safe, let's see what we've got going here. Believe the very best. Groceries, by no surprise, is empty. Self-care does have money. I didn't get a pedicure, but I will get a pedicure this month coming up. We've got major things. Grandma's turning 90. So there's a party, and my sister's birthday, Mother's Day, all the things. $20, $40, $50, $60. I did just spend some money on something, so I actually think I'm gonna leave $20 in here. Was it $20? I think it was like $20. We'll leave $20 in here to cover it. It will be for Publix, and I'm gonna put it in groceries. I just don't ask, I just want to do that. So I'm gonna say we have 20. Actually, you know what, so I want to get an accurate count of what we have left, then I'll do that move. 20, 40, 20, 40, 50, $60 left in groceries. Not groceries, my mind is on the groceries, that's why, y'all. It's left in self-care. Eating out has nothing. Have fun has nothing. Kind of proud of that. There's nothing in have fun. And then the rest of these are just general things. These are the envelopes that I created to do those African American scratch offs that I got from SNC Budget Creations. I'm excited. And then gifts and all that, that money stays in there. So not a ton of money left this time, but I am grateful that we have any money left over, because switching to using the credit card, I assumed we would not have any. So let's see how much we actually have left so that we can update my planner. Let's get the money. Let's get the planner together. So you know, in the planner we say how much we started with, which was $530, and now we're going to say how much we ended with. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 101, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $110 left. Honestly, now seeing how much money we have left, I probably should have taken some money from this to pay the other overages. I will definitely do that next time, because I took from my fund money to pay the overage in food, and that ain't it. So $110 saved there. And then that's okay. I want to save in my cash stuffing. So for April, it's so hard to write sometimes with those rings right there. For April, we're going to say we saved 110, and that's weird because literally outside of January, which was a weird month because we had a lot of money in there, it's actually the most we saved. But I don't think it's the most accurate, because technically I was over by like $46, or let's call it $50. So if it was 110 minus 50, we really only saved like 60, to be honest. So it's the lowest month, to be accurate. If y'all watch the other video, you'll know what I mean. But that's okay. It's money saved, okay? Because when I did this switch over, I thought we weren't going to have nothing, all right? But we're going to do better. That is the goal. And because I have that Movement May challenge coming up, a lot of things I would spend my money on will not be spent on, period. Okay, so we have all this money, which is amazing. But I did tell you I wanted to take 20 of it and put it back in groceries, because I just went to Publix today, which is the end of May, end of April, and I spent, I believe, like $20-something, and I want that to cover that for when we reconcile. It's not fair to pull it out of May money, in my opinion. Yeah, it's my money, of course it's my opinion. Okay, and then 100 envelope savings challenge. This is where the money resides, okay? I'm not gonna know why I said that, because I gotta play my dude.
Because I'm asked, what the what? What a money reside? What a money reside? What a money reside? What a money reside? Okay.
Stuff for stuffing. So in my stuff for stuff envelope, which I'm so excited, because I'm so excited. So now after taking that 20 out, we should have less than one. We should have 90. 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75. Nope, that's not it. 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Why did I think I had more? Why do I think I should have 90? Because maybe I didn't have 110. The lies. So I didn't have 110. I had 20, 40. Y'all struggling. I'm sorry. We had 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had 105. Stop lying to the folks. Stop lying to yourself. I didn't lie on purpose, y'all. My apologies. So correction. Now it's going to be hungry. 105, and I can't even find my, oh no, I found it, thank God. Hold on. You know what, it's 105. Yeah, no, it's kind of hard to write with that thing right there. It's okay. Oh, you should have known not to touch it, Tara. Okay, right. And to update this as well. Isn't it? It's so cute. So Lisa has a shop. Make sure y'all check it out. 105. For these cute little magnets. It's Got all different kinds. They're adorbs. Adorbs. Okay. Now that I stopped lying to y'all, who was counting with me and like, girl, no, don't do that. That's not what you have. All right. So 105. So 105. So we have $85 here. Y'all must be tired of me counting it. So Stuff to Stuff has I'm sorry, girl. Stuff to Stuff should have $85 in there to stuff, which is amazing. Then we have an extra, do we have a 10 in here? Yep, we have an extra 10 in here. And Hold Your Horses, which is just like backup for my backup. And yeah, so I'm excited to do our cash stuffing video. But y'all, that's it. Like I said, the last video was entirely too long. I'm not trying to keep y'all too long. That's it for our unstuffing video. Didn't do badly. Grateful for how far we've come. Could have been better. Absolutely. Will we do better in May? Absolutely. So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, order to be great. You have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, ever, 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 ever.